Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and if you like luxury, like I do, then just keep watching. Today I have for you an unboxing from Fashionphile. Comment below. How do you like purchasing, buying, viewing? I think the website is awesome. It's very user-friendly. They have lots of things to choose from. I don't know, I feel like if I need something, I go to Fashionphile. The other sites, not so much. So comment below, how do you like Fashionphile? If you've had any type of interaction, whether it be just going on the website, searching for something, whether it be purchasing something or selling something. This channel focuses on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today we have a quick luxury unboxing. Very, very, very quick. If you blink, it might be over. So without further ado, please subscribe. Got my trusty dusty. Oh Lord, hopefully I'll be able to do something with it. Okay, let's unbox really quick. I don't have hay fever, but it is because the weather has been changing so much. I am like stuffy, congested. All right, that was quick. Yep, that was quick. There it is. All right, and so yes, your typical or your basic Fashionphile box. I do love the box that it comes in. I like the logo, and I like all of this paper that they include, the little dots. I love circles, anything round. I'm all about it. I am all about it. And so inside you get a thank you. And then inside you get an actual file. Yes, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet, on my feet. Anyway. All right, that's cute. That's very nice. And then just one little paper, and then the bottom of the box says, thank you from the bottom of this box, which I think that is a cute little extra sentiment to go on the box, on the inside of the box. And here is this item, and haven't seen it with the pink, but it's cute. It has that pop. And so that's the little box that it came in. And then of course it has the Fashionphile hang tags. Now these hang tags are the certificate of authenticity. And then it also says once this tag has been removed, this item is yours. So remove the tag, the bag is yours. Or whether it be shoes, whether it be what's in here, it's yours. So here we go. All right, so yeah, okay, so it's really small. If you see, it's a true unboxing because it is really small. I was hoping for the thicker, the wider one. I'm gonna put it on and see how it works, and I want to be careful because if I need to, I will definitely take it back, but I think it will be okay. Yeah, I think it will be, I don't know. I think, what do you think? The friendship bracelet, which is woven, it's handmade, has the burgundy, the black. I'm all about the burgundy color, and the black and the cream The cream and the black make, the cream and the burgundy make the black stand out. So it says Christian Dior, J'adore. So I like the friendship bracelet. I was hoping for something a little bit wider. Sorry, I had the sniffles. And then the little tassels at the end. Should it be a little bit wider on my size arm? I don't know if it should be wider. I don't know if I like it so much because of the fact that it's burgundy, because I truly love burgundy. And so I don't know. I know that sometimes they come in sets. This one came singly. So just one friendship bracelet, and not in the pair. It's very thin, very, very thin. I would like a thicker one, but I don't know if they have one. I know right now I checked online, and they don't have any burgundy on Fashionphile. They did not have this burgundy color, so I'm thinking it is from the previous collection, whether it be 2018 or 2017, I'm not for sure. The friendship bracelets, they do come in various colors, all types of colors, pinks, greens, khakis, purples, yellow, you name it, they have a color for you and your friend. So that's it for today. Just a small luxury haul unboxing from Fashionphile. So comment below, what do you think about the width of this item? And until the next time, always, always stay classy, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.